Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. Today in this session, I am going to discuss one important interview question which I faced in ITC Infotech. So, shift all the zeros to the right of an array. So, let's see that. So, yeah, if you will see here, there is an array which contains 0 and non-zero elements. And the requirement is to shift all the 0 to the right. Okay, so let's do that. So let me take one another integer variable. Let's say int j is equal to 0 for the index position. Let's say, and let me print the array for, let's say, int num colon arr, and let's print the system.out.println num. Okay. So before shifting the 0, I am printing the array, display the array. Okay. So once that is done, let me create one for loop or int. So basically, instead of print, just write println, write down print, and just write down one println for the next line. Okay. Then write down int I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length, then I plus plus. Okay. Okay. Then what I can write down, if let's say arr of I not equal to 0. So in this case, what we can do, we can, okay, if arr of I not equal to 0, then let's create one temp variable int temp is equal to arr of I. So we'll store the value in temp. Then after that, what we can do, we can shift the value. That means, so arr of I, in arr of I, we can store the 0th index. So that means arr of j, because j contains 0, j is 0, so we store that. Okay. Then in arr of j, in 0th position, 0th index, we will store temp value. Okay. So it will be temp. Okay. And what we can do, we can write down, we can increase the index position of j, because initially the index position of j is 0. So we'll increase the index position. So let's understand this how exactly it will be. Let's say in this case arr of I means arr of 0. So arr of 0 is 4. Okay, 4 is not equal to 0, that is correct. So it will come inside. So if that is the case, then what it will do, we will store 4 in temp. Then arr of j, that means arr of 0. What is the value? That is the value is 4. So we'll keep that value in arr of I, that means arr of 0. So 4 will be stored in 0. Then after that, temp, what is the temp value? Temp value is, which one? Temp value is, initially temp value is 4. So 4 will store in first index, then it will be j plus plus. So j will increase into 1. Now we will check I also increases. So now I is 1. So error of I, that means 1, not equal to 0. So error of I means it will be first index. So that is 0. So it is false. So it will not come here. Then error of I will increase to 2. So error of 2. 2 means 0, 1, 2. That means 9. So error of 2, that means 9 not equal to 0. That is correct. So it will come inside. So after that, int it will store error of I, that means 9 in 10. Then error of j. Now error of j, what is the error of j value? Error of j means j has value 1 because j increases only one time. So j is 1. That means error of j means error of 1. So what is the 1 value? 0. So that will be stored in error of I. That means that will be stored in 0 will be stored in error of 2 means instead of 9 it will be 0. Then temp is equal to error of j. Temp value 9 will be stored in error of j. That means error of 1. Okay. So like that it will be 490 like that. Okay. So likewise all the 0 will shift to right side. Okay. Okay, do one thing. Let's print this. Let's create one for loop for 1 second. For let's say int norm error. Okay, system.out.println norm plus. Okay, so let's instead of println, let's put print and give some space. So let's run this. And let's check the result. See, absolutely working fine. All the zeros, like all the 4 zeros which are in the array, are shifted to right side. Okay, this is how you will write down. Okay, so see, this is how you will write down the logic. Okay, this is the main logic. Okay guys, so that's it for this session. I will come up with one interesting topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much.